Today I'm going to be showing you in under 10 minutes of how to make your own custom animations inside Roblox Studio. So you want to select base plate to get started, or whatever your game is, wait for it to load in, go to plugins, build rig, block rig, and make sure it's an R15. Then you can drag the character down a little bit. Then you want to go back to plugins, animation editor, and I can close this output for a second. So now you have this here. And then you want to select your rig, type in a name. Let's do animation test, create. Then you want to click add all here. And now that will add all the things. Make sure your blue mark is at 0. So then we'll have the leg. Let's just have the player be normal. This should be like the first frame basically. So it'll just be, this is how they will be idled, I guess. It'll just be like this kind of. And then at about 15 milliseconds in, we want to move this back to like that. And then we want to move these legs like this and the arms like this. And now that we have these moved, we want to just move the head back like it's floating, like the player's floating. Then we want to select the back torso, the lower torso. Then move this up a little bit. And now we want to copy the first frame, move our blue bar back to the first frame, copy it, press Ctrl C. After selecting the white diamond, go to 1 second, I believe, and then press Ctrl V. And now we should have our nice animation. And then make sure to click this little circle, like little reuse circle with an arrow in it. Then you want to left click on these 3 arrows. You want to click set animation priority and select idle. Then you want to click them again and click export. Let's export this as animation test, or you can overwrite an existing animation. Then you want to click submit. And then you want to copy this little code right here, this ID here. And now, when we're in game, we want to apply the idle feature to the player. So to do this, we look at the workspace, the player, and then we look at animate. And they have this idle right here with these animations. So we want to make this ID here change from this to this with a code. So if we do it correctly, it should look like this, which is a pretty nice little animation. So to apply this, we need to write a code. So to access this, we're going to go to server script service, click the plus button, click script, and then inside this little script, we want to write game.Players.PlayerAdded .connect function. And this will just find when a player joins the game, and then we can connect function player, make sure it's capital, the P for player. Then we open this, and then to find the character for the player, because we're looking right now at the players inside the players tab, not inside the workspace, their character. We want to do local character equals workspace .WaitForChild, and then type in Player.name, and then enter, and then type in character .animate .idle .animation animation 1. So animate is the local script that's inside the character, and then idle is one of the values, and then here animation 1 is the value we want to reassign. So then we want to do .animation ID so we can get the value of it. Click type equals quotes, and then type in rbxassetid, and then ID .. 2 forward slashes, and then paste in your code right there. Then on a new line, you can copy this. Since we're doing an idle, it has a second animation part, So you just want to change that from 1 to a 2 down here. You don't need to do this, but it would look better, the animation, in my opinion. So now we have this done. We just want to go to the game settings, and to get the game settings, we want to click Publish. If you haven't already, we're just going to click Create, and click Close. And now we can go to game settings, Avatar, go to Standard, and then go back to the permissions and just do player choice, just to do a test. So then, if we click play, now, if everything goes correctly, you'll have your new animations on repeat. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out to create your own fun animations for your Roblox character. You can also do running animations, walking animations, sitting animations, jumping animations. But right now, I'm just doing the idle animation. So I hope this tutorial helped you. I'll paste the, you can copy the code in the description. And have a nice day. Peace out. Bye.